Good morning. Today we just woke up and I decided to do a video of how to get a correct venue for your music. And I am here searching, just planning to do my first video shoot, and I'm trying to look for a very nice venue. So please stay tuned and follow me on this journey of how to find the correct the correct venue for my first video shoot. Hi, so we woke up this morning and as we said, we're looking for a venue for our first video shoot.
Nature.
It is not easier.
I'm so pretty under the sun.
We're looking for a venue, not
Venue.
a
Yeah.
So just follow us, subscribe on our YouTube channel of how to get a venue for your
nature.
video.
We're looking
shoot.
for nature-like theme.
Yes.
Obviously, this is nature, but we're looking for that we call spec. I don't know to tell you this. We're looking for some movement, and I don't know if there are snakes here.
Usanii ni gharama watu wangu. Vile watu pata venue, I don't know, but I think Kenya is pretty. On our next video, I'll just show you on how this nature is, and I'll reveal the place. Just follow, subscribe. She just got lost.
I was checking
So we will walk, we will stand. We ain't gonna stay down, we ain't gonna stay down below.